To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about end blends. The end blend Ture makes the ch sound. Chur. Nature. Nature. Picture. Picture. I can draw a picture. I can draw a picture. The end blend SURE makes the j sound. Je. Treasure. Treasure. Measure. Measure. I measure the picture. I measure the picture. The end blend TION makes the shun sound. Shun. Station. Station. Emotion. Emotion. A train at the station. A train at the station. The end blend SION makes the jeune sound. Jeune. Television. Television. We watch television. We watch television. The end blend OUS makes the us sound. Us. Curious. Curious. Anxious. Anxious. The boy is famous. The boy is famous. The end blend FUL makes the full sound. Full. Helpful. Helpful. Colorful. 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 The colorful flowers. The colorful flowers.